Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the back seats and the lower portion. Like if you're doing either like a color swap or say that you have a tear in one of your seats, we're just going to teach you how to do that. So let's get right to it. Alright, so taking the seat out, the lower portion to get to the fuel pump or to remove the lower section is really easy. You're going to see two black tabs. If you basically just grab the center of the seat, like right there, you'll see a black tab. You're just gonna literally pull that black tab up and that releases that side. And then over here, obviously, same thing. Lift up, pull out. And then once those two front pieces are out, just kind of grab the sides of it, give it a little shimmy out, push the seatbelt clicker back in, and there you go. The rear portion is out. All right, and then, so once you have the lower section out, you're gonna work on the upper section. I start with the armrest right here, and you're gonna undo this flap right here, and you're gonna see two 14s right there. And then there's a little clip in the center of it that pops out, and then slide that out. And then there is going to be a seat belt on each seat. So I do this one first just because it makes it a little easier. So you take your seat belt, put it on the rear deck lid, and then there's two more 14s, that one and this one. And you're going to swing this forward and then slide up. And there you go, the one portion is out. And same thing on the other side. Undo this center seatbelt one just to get it out of your way. And then there's going to be two more bolts over here, or one nut and one bolt. Actually, two nuts, I'm sorry. And same thing, just grab the bottom of it, slide it forward, and then wiggle it up. And there you go. That is how you get the rear upper seat portion and lower seat portion out of a G35, G37.